How to create new Xiaomi account. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to create new Xiaomi account. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch the Google app on your device. Tap on the search bar at top of the screen and you can type in sign up MI account or sign up Xiaomi account. Once you search for it, you will reach on the result page where you have to tap on the official website of new Xiaomi creation website. So tap on the create Xiaomi account at top of the screen and then you will land on the official interface of sign up page for the Xiaomi account. So once you land on the create Xiaomi account page, you have to enter all the credentials like your country or region, email address, password that must be very much strong, and you need to again confirm your password. After that, you need to check mark I have read and agreed to Xiaomi's user agreement and privacy policies and tap the next button. You need to follow all the on-screen prompts and you will successfully create new Xiaomi account on your device. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.